like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, I'm back, and yes, I'm still trying to get these out because I'm still not feeling great, but I'm doing fine. Today I have ice cream bag and box today. If you're new here, I'm Deb. Excuse my hair because I'm still kind of laying around quite a bit. Had it looking decent, went to the store, came back, laid down a little bit, and so here we are. Hopefully we're getting to the end of this because I'm starting to get a cold sore, and usually that means that I'm getting to the end. Anyhow, first if you're not familiar with ice cream, it's a beauty heavy box. In other words, they have a lot of, it's a makeup heavy box, and the bag is $12.50, and you pay shipping with that, and I believe it's $3.50 or $4. And with this, you get 3 to 5 items, and you're guaranteed a pallet. And with the box, you pay $25, and that includes shipping, and you get 5 to 7 items, and that includes your shipping. So we'll do the bag first. Let me get my glasses here, because things are still a little bit. Okay, this is, the first thing is Sustainably Gorgeous by the Balms. And see if I can open it. Doesn't seem to be, that's a little odd, but okay, it's a highlighter. Let's see if I can see where it's at. I'm having a heck of a time here. I never did see where that was at. There, you can see it now, viewer. It's right in here. But it's very close to my skin color. Very close to my skin color, so it's not really much of a highlighter for me, but it may be for other people. Let's see what the value of that is. And that's a $25 value. And then we have Floss Beauty Lip Advocate. And this is $18 value, and it looks like this. Sorry. I tear these things about half the time I use, try to get them out of here. And that's the color. And these, I really don't mind them when they're darker like this, because, you know, it really doesn't have much color to it, actually. But at least, you know, it's close to somebody's natural color, you know. It's not like a, when they make them like white and stuff, it's like, that just looks like crap on everybody. Makes everybody look washed out. Anyhow, that was an $18 value. And let's see what the next thing we have is, this is the palette. Let's see if I can, it is Amuse Cosmetics, and it's a $13 value. This is what it look. This thing is just going crazy today, and that's what the colors are. And it's in plastic. Let's see if I can get them. See if I can even open it. Sometimes that's the hardest part, is opening this stuff. Okay. I see it says Amuse Into the Jungle Wild Eyes is what it's called. Let's see if I can open it. Yeah, there's some really pretty tones in here. I like this one. This one. This one. I might even like that one, and pinching this one. I don't really want to swatch them today because I'm getting so many that I think I might have to be getting ready to do another giveaway or something, because I'm not sure the girls are coming home for Christmas. Okay, now we'll go on to the box, and like I said, this is $25, and that includes shipping. And you're guaranteed 5 to 7 items. And let's see if I can just cut it open with this. Maybe. I'm doing so good. There, I think I got it now. Yeah, now I got it. And they always give you these this is what it looks like, and here's your card for that. And they always give you these you can add water to them and then they decompose. This looks nice. This looks really nice. Let me take these peanuts out, and I'll try to wad them up so I don't make a real mess. But this is what it looks like inside. Okay, this is what it looks like inside after I take the peanuts out. Very interesting. Okay, we still got a couple peanuts in there, but we'll get rid of those as we go. This one looks very interesting. Very, very interesting. So let's see where we are. Do the palette last. Let's see. Okay, we have, what is this? This is Beached Blush. Oh, jeez. They're just trying to torture me. They know I don't feel good, and they're just trying to torture me, aren't they? There, I got it. Just trying to torture me, and I'm just trying to get something accomplished. And that's the color of that. And there's a little mirror in there. Well, my little thing fell off, but it's kind of got a pink tone to it. I may be able to use that. A lot of them I can't use. Kind of has a cross between a pink and an orange. See, it's kind of pinkish orange, which orange really looks good on my mom. She's a redhead. But if I can use it, I will. Let's see what the price of that was. I do like the color, and I do like the formula. It's very silky. Who is this by? Bo Babe Beauty, and it's bleach blush, and it's $25. Yeah, I like that. Then we have this, which is, this must be the Joyce Bonnell Cosmetic Flawless Setting Spray, and it's $25 with SPF. It's really pretty packaging. It's $25 value, but it's a very pretty package. I don't know that I can open it. There, I got it. You just gotta stick your fingernail underneath the cap. It doesn't have a smell, and it's pretty fine mist. Well, it would have been if I didn't spray it right on top of it. Ooh, actually, it's very wet. See, I mean, I was pretty far away that time, and it was still very wet coming out of there. So, I don't know about that. Stick it back about 12 inches, at least. Okay, so then we have that. We have that. That's nice. Oh, that's not. That's the other one. Okay, and then we have, this is Cheeky Rose Beauty Blush Brush, and it's $35. And I have their other foundation one that looked like the Ouija board thing, and I love it. I do love it. These are really, really, really nice brushes, and it's just, yeah, I just love them. I love these brushes. So my grandchildren will never know this exists because I will hide it. Okay. Then we have, oh, let's see, what I say? Did I tell you how much that was? That was, yeah, $36 for this brush. And then we have Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. And it comes like this, which is kind of cool. Yeah, it's just stupid. It was me being dumb. Okay, so it goes like this, and you open it. And it's just a soft lipstick. Or lip gloss, I mean. And it's really smooth. It's kind of sparkly. You see it sparkly there. But it's kind of smooth. And then, of course, the last thing we have is our Lash Step Matte About You. And it's Lash Step Matte About You palette, and it's a $45 value. So you always get your money plus. You always do. Well, of course it didn't open right the first time. It wouldn't be me if it did. We'll see if that worked. It might. It might. You can tell I'm still not feeling well, but I'm trying to keep moving forward. And this is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. If you can see it, just embossed there. Last step, it says. Lash Step, sorry. My bad. Okay, and it's got a full mirror. And it's all mattes. And they're all neutral colors. See that? I'm not going to swatch this one because I know somebody who might like that for Christmas. So I'm just going to hold on to that. So what did you think of this month? I think the box was exceptional. The box was definitely exceptional this month. I like the bag, but the box was killer, in my opinion. Of course, my opinion. Anyhow, hey, if you like what you see here, you know, things are not always this glum here. Normally, I take time with my makeup and my hair, and I had the vid last week, and I'm still struggling to get things done, but stuff is piling up, and quite frankly, I need to find my living room. So, if you like what you see here, hey, we do all kinds of unboxings. We do Thread Up, we do FabFitFun, beauty unboxings, subscription unboxings, mystery boxes, you name it, we unbox it. And lately I've been trying to do a Dollar General coupon haul on Thursdays, so be sure and look out for that. Come on back, we'd like to have you. Bye.